When last week I made a video about the non-Newtonian fluid behavior of the basaltic magma in the Svartsengi volcanic system, it was around 18 million cubic meters of magma gathering there. It requires a lot of shaking, like a ketchup bottle that you have to shake to flow the ketchup. The magma requires that, and here we are. Today we had a tremor and a storm of the earthquake shaking the seal and the magma conduit, and this is the result. We have an eruption, and this eruption reached 200 meters in my estimate, based on the comparing it with the K1 crater, which was actually the fissure opened today, cut through it. This is the earliest map, the first map I drew. Then the Icelandic Meteorological Office drew the second map. You can see that. This is this one, 3.4 kilometers. And then we have now the MBL Iceland having published this, which shows the fissure has passed the Hagafell and is getting closer to the Grindavík. This is the eruption that you can see actually going through the path of the K1 and the fissures related to that. And the K1 is at the center. I'm showing you, I'm going actually to zoom on that. You can see the K1 crater is now is sliced like a cupcake, like a cake, by a knife, as if, by this fissure, which brings the magma from the depth on the Svartsengi through the conduit toward the east, and then erupting in the Grindavík Rift Valley through that system of the cracks that we have there. The lava was traveling very fast, 1 kilometer in 1 hour. That's 1,000 meters, very quickly. Remember, this is a very dense material. We are talking about something denser than a concrete. And it flew and just reached the defensive wall of the Grindavík. And now we have a fissure actually just north of the Grindavík defenses. And to the west side, we have actually the wall only holding this. This is the defensive wall, which separates the telecommunications center of the US Navy to the west side from the town of the Grindavík. When we pan, we can see the town of the Grindavík behind this cloud of the gases and the fumes from this eruption reaching that area, burning the moss, also creating some smoke of its own. And the electricity is cut. This is actually, you see that pylon practically this time. The wires heated up and melted. They're falling down. And as you can see here, it's almost like an island against the flow of the lava. It's chaos. We have also lots of rainwater gathered in the lava tubes, creating phreatic explosions, and numerous of these explosions happened today. This was just one of them. Fortunately, 300 plus residents of the Grindavík who were still there in the companies and businesses and some of the town houses and the farms evacuated. The alarm was sounded, and some people even left in the middle of a delivery of some goods.